More than 1,200 sea turtles, an endangered marine species in China, have been born in a South China's nature reserve this year, setting a new high record. A bunch of turtles who have just pipped out of shells were playing on the artificial beach of the Huidong National Sea Turtle Nature Reserve in South China's Guangdong province, also the country's first sea turtle reintroduction base.
这个它是6月11号产的，基本上这个是出了42只，42只它的那个卵的话是47，它的孵化率呢很高了，差不多90了。现在翻过来就看得很清楚了。 和其他狗，是愈合得很好。出来是有四肢啊，或哪里有残缺的，那个我们也要选出来，就是要特别的照顾。
Staff at the nature reserve are having busy days recently as they need to give the baby turtles bath, disinfect the clamping points of birth cords, and keep monitoring their health conditions. The sea turtles were all hatched in artificial environment, marking a major breakthrough in the sea turtle artificial breeding technology in China.
今年的海龟产卵的一个特点就是提前，4月1号，我们就地域包括今年的小龟的数量，还有产蛋的那个数量，还有就是那个总龟，就是海龟妈妈，也比前几年的 数量要多，比前几年都呈一个好的趋势。
The total amount of newborn sea turtles this year is expected to exceed 2,000. In order to raise the survival rate of sea turtles in natural environment, the Huidong Reserve launched the country's first reintroduction base for sea turtles last year, allowing the turtles released into nature to experience the marine ecology amid a simulated environment. The simulated sea area spans more than 2 hectares, enough space to ensure a sea-like water flow. Staff at the base would also put shrimps and crabs into the artificial system, and played as predators at times, to enhance the turtles' field survivability.
没有野化的时候，那么在沙滩上放生呢，海龟往往呢适应自然的能力呢比较弱。经过野化呢，那么海龟非常生猛，它看到大海呢，它就非常激动，扑腾扑腾的就到这个大海里去了。
The turtles will be implanted with smart chips and micro-tracking devices before they are released into nature to enable staff at the base to better learn about their living conditions and migratory routes. The Huidong National Sea Turtle Nature Reserve was established in 1985, and has since hatched nearly 70,000 turtles and released over 64,000 of them to nature.